Hi everyone, welcome back to the React.js video tutorial, and in this video we will see that what are the React hooks and how we can use it, and we will take an example of React hooks also. So first of all, let's see what are the points of this video. So first of all, we will see that what are the React hooks as in theoretically, then we will make a functional component, use React hooks, and then test it. Alright, so let's see what are actually React hooks before just going to the coding part. So React hooks are basically replacement of the lifecycle methods and the states and some more things like context API also. So sometimes we just need to use the like state and lifecycle methods inside the functional component also. But as we know that in the functional component we cannot use the state and lifecycle method directly. So Facebook actually introduced React hooks, and with the help of React hooks we can use the states and lifecycle methods inside the functional component also. So this is all about the hooks, that what are they. Now let's see that how we can use it. So first of all, I am just going to remove this class component and going to make a functional component, and this is the output of my uh, React output. Alright, so I am just going to remove it, and first of all I am just defining function app, and here I can use simply return, and in the return I can take a div simply, and I can put something like h1 tag here like React hooks. Now we can see that the output is similar here. So I am just going to import one more thing, and guys, if you are using the React older than 16.8, then React hooks are not going to work because they are introduced in React 16.8. So just use here use state. So this is the state hooks, and with the help of this we can use the state in the class component also, functional component also. So now let's take an example. So I'm just taking a const, and in the const I am going to take the two values. One, we can just take a value like val, and another one is we can just use the set val, and these are the destructuring of the React hooks. So we can put some default value here, like I am just going to put here 0 as in default value. So whenever I am just going to print this val, then it will show me 0. Now what we can do actually, so now I am just going to take a button here, and I will make a increment of this state like increment. I can just simply write here, and here I can just simply write on click, and with the help of on click I can just simply take here simply just like set val, and in the set val I can just simply write here val plus 1 on it click. Alright, so now let's see, whenever I am just going to click here, now you can see that this is going to be increment here. So this is a way that how we can just make a simple React hook example, and how we can use the state with the React hooks. So thanks for watching this video, and I really appreciate your valuable time that you given to my video. And if you still have any kind of confusion, you have any suggestion and opinion, you can comment me. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.